Okay, now I want to show you the bird that's been nesting up in my hanging basket. I put some signs up. Let's see what they say. Mourning dove nesting in the hanging basket. Please don't disturb the mama. Please put deliveries and packages in front of the garage door. There's none right now. And most important, thank you for all that you do for all of us every day. Signed, a teacher lives here. Let's take a look at our bird. She lets us look at her. She is a good mom and doesn't leave the nest. And she builds a nest here every year. So she must not mind us taking a look at her with our camera. Hi, Mom. And the other day, when the male bird, the father, came and took her place on the nest so she could probably go get some food, I was able to get a picture and saw that she is sitting on 2 eggs. Okay, we're going to leave her alone now. Happy Earth Day, everybody.